thank you guys for your submission. Yes, I love the Zygomaticus major, and let's move this over so you can actually see the Zygomaticus major. There we go. And yeah, I really think it's a cool muscle because it makes you smile, and zygo. And that one's the minor. So you see they really are right on top of each other for the Zygomaticus muscle. The other group said the frontalis was easy. I have a feeling the easy and the borings are going to be the same one. Yes, it is boring. It wrinkles your eyelids. So yeah, it's not the most exciting, but it's easy though. The depressor angularis oris. So the other one's hiding right there. If I could click on the right muscle. And its spelling isn't that hard. It's anguli, it's Latin, oris. So it spells how it sounds, at least. So the spelling isn't that scary once you realize, oh, it's phonetic and it's just a lot of words for one little muscle name. And then again, when I told the other group, I am not testing you on can you pronounce it, especially since a lot of these have multiple pronunciations, but you could always click this button.
Depressor anguli oris.
And it will tell you what the muscle is called. And lastly, the orbicularis oris, because of its word origin, oral. So yeah, people usually don't get that one wrong. Sometimes they confuse the two orbital muscles with each other, but there is our orbicularis oris. So for your trunk ones, I think part of the problem was it is the muscle man is only superficial like this guy. So the pectoris alis major, the external oblique muscles. And you said intercostal, but you pointed to the oblique, so I think you meant oblique. And yes, the internal one is really tricky because it's hiding. So let's remove the rectus abdominis. I think I just removed way too much. Let us remove the external oblique, and the internal oblique is hiding. So if we fade it, so see this is the external, and then we have the internal underneath it. So yeah, it's hiding in there. It's really obnoxious that it's not there and it wants to hide from us in there. Let's see if that works. So they're all yellow now. So you think the pectoralis minor is the boring one. I mean, it is small. It's just on 3. It really is a minor muscle, I guess. And it's actually really disappointing on this. It's a lot better on the cadabra when I'll flip him over next class. Linea alba, I really swear I have no idea who Jessica Alba is. So there's the linea alba. It really is cool when somebody has abs. I do not have a linea alba at all. And yes, nobody has ever gotten the pectoralis major incorrect. They sometimes confuse this minor for the major, but they've never gotten it wrong. So thank you for your submissions, guys. Have a good weekend.